In the heart of Austin, where innovation thrives and businesses flourish, maintaining a clean and organized workplace is more important than ever. Whether you run a tech startup in East Austin or a growing marketing firm downtown, the environment you cultivate within your office directly impacts your team's productivity, morale, and overall business success. While regular cleaning services are essential, many businesses overlook the importance of periodic office clean-outs. These clean-outs go beyond the standard dusting and vacuuming. They focus on organizing clutter, purging unnecessary items, and optimizing the office space for efficiency and employee well-being. Here's why regular office clean-outs are essential for Austin workplaces. Boosts employee productivity. A cluttered and disorganized office can be a significant distraction for employees. Piles of outdated files, unused furniture, or overflowing storage areas take up valuable space and create unnecessary mental clutter. Employees can lose precious time searching for items or trying to navigate through a congested workspace. Regular office clean-outs help streamline the environment, making it easier for employees to focus on their tasks without the added stress of dealing with physical clutter. A clean office isn't just about aesthetics, it's about fostering an environment where employees can do their best work. When an office is well organized, employees feel more confident in their ability to tackle their tasks efficiently, leading to better performance and a stronger overall work culture. Improves workplace health and safety. In today's fast-paced world, workplace health and safety are top priorities. Regular office clean-outs can significantly reduce the risk of health hazards. Dust, dirt, and old office equipment can accumulate over time, leading to indoor air quality problems or triggering allergies among employees. This is especially important for businesses in Austin, where the high pollen levels during certain seasons can already exacerbate respiratory issues. Additionally, unused or broken equipment can pose safety risks. Cords left lying around, faulty chairs, or overloaded shelves are potential tripping hazards that can cause accidents. By conducting regular clean-outs, businesses can eliminate these risks, creating a safer work environment for employees and visitors alike. Enhances company image. Your office environment is a reflection of your brand, and first impressions matter. Clients, partners, and potential employees who walk into a cluttered, disorganized office may start to question your professionalism and attention to detail. On the other hand, a clean, organized office communicates that you take your business seriously and are committed to providing a positive experience for everyone who walks through your door. In Austin, where businesses are known for their creativity and innovation, an office that looks fresh and well-maintained can make a big impact. Whether it's a conference room where you're meeting with a client or an open office area where new hires are being introduced, a clean office environment reinforces your company's reputation and helps to build trust with stakeholders. Maximizes office space. As Austin continues to grow, office space can become a valuable commodity. Regular clean-outs help businesses make the most of their office space by removing items that are no longer needed. Old files that are no longer relevant, outdated equipment, and unnecessary furniture take up valuable real estate and create a cramped, inefficient working environment. By purging these items, businesses can free up space for more functional uses. This could mean creating more collaborative areas, expanding workstations, or even offering employees more room to move around and breathe. Additionally, a more organized office can help reduce stress and increase employee satisfaction, which is crucial in the competitive Austin job market. Encourages a culture of organization and accountability. When businesses prioritize regular office cleanouts, it encourages a culture of organization and accountability. Employees understand that maintaining a tidy workspace is not only a personal responsibility but also a collective one. This can help instill a sense of pride in the workplace and motivate staff to keep their individual work areas tidy. Moreover, a clean office can lead to better communication and collaboration. With less clutter, employees are more likely to interact in shared spaces, exchange ideas, and work together seamlessly. A regular clean-out schedule sends the message that the company values efficiency, order, and respect for the workplace. Supports business growth and flexibility. As your business grows, so do your office needs. Regular clean-outs allow you to reassess your office layout and adapt to the changing needs of your team. Whether it's making space for new employees or adjusting workspaces for increased collaboration, an office that is regularly decluttered is more adaptable to change. By keeping your office environment flexible and open, you create a space that can easily evolve as your business evolves, supporting long-term success. Conclusion. For businesses in Austin, regular office cleanouts are more than just a cleaning service. They're a key part of creating a productive, healthy, and efficient workspace. By reducing clutter, improving safety, and enhancing your company's image, regular cleanouts help you stay competitive and foster a positive work environment. As Austin's business landscape continues to grow and evolve, ensuring that your office is organized and well-maintained will set you apart and support your business's long-term success.